Get excited about the 2014 BMW 528i. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power front seats, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, and seat memory. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.